So hello and welcome to the Maths Guide, and today we're going to be talking about functions. Now you already know that a function takes a set of inputs, it puts those inputs into a formula and gets you a set of outputs, and each value that you put in gives you a particular output like that. Okay, now when we're talking about functions, we're still talking about the same idea. We have a set of inputs and a set of outputs and a formula, but this is the way we write them down. We say the function of x is given by the formula 2 times the input minus 1. Let's have a look at how that would work. Imagine the input was 10. I would put that into the formula 2 times the input minus 1, and that would give me my output. 2 times 10 is 20, take away 1 is 19. If I put the value 20 in, I would get 2 times 20 minus 1, which is 39. Okay? And if I wanted to list my couples, that would be 10, 19 would be one couple, another couple would be 20, 39. And there could be any other couple, for example, like 100, what would 100 give me? 2 times 100 minus 1 is 199. That would be another couple. Okay, but today we want to talk a little bit about the language. We describe a function by saying the function acts on some input, f of x. F, the function, acts on some input, which is this value here. And what it does to the input is it multiplies it by 2 and takes away 1. So this is our formula, which we discussed before. So we have a set of inputs and a formula which brings us to a set of outputs. We have a couple of special words. The set of inputs is called our domain. The set of outputs is called our codomain. So the domain is the set of inputs that we're going to put into the function. The codomain is the set of possible outputs. We mightn't have all the outputs. Let's have a look at an example. Imagine our domain is the set of values. Our domain D is equal to the set of values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And our codomain, which I'm going to use the capital letter C for, is the set of values from 1 up to 20. Okay, so every possible value from 1 to 20 is in the codomain, and the numbers 1 to 5 are in the domain. I'm going to tell you that the function is 4x, 4 times what the input is, plus 3. So let's have a look at all our inputs and all our outputs. We put 1 in. 4 multiplied by 1 plus 3 is equal to 15, our output. Let's list the couple here, 1, 15. I'm going to put 2 in. That's going to be 4 multiplied by 2 plus 3. How did I get 15? It's 7. This is 8 plus 2 is 11. So we're going to put our couple here, 2, 11. We're going to put the value 3 in. It's going to be 4 times 3 plus 3. And that is going to give us 15. We're going to put the value 4 in, and that would give us 4 times 4 plus 3, which gives us 19. We're going to put the value 5 in, which gives us 4 times 5 plus 3, which is 23. But we're not going to write the couple because this is not in our codomain. It's not an acceptable output. It's beyond the range. This is like you're trying to dial the dial too far, but you can't go there. Okay, so it's not an acceptable output, so we don't consider it. And this is our list of inputs. Sorry, a list of couples: 1, 7, 2, 11, 3, 15, and 4, 19. So just The words that we use again, our list of inputs is called a domain. The list of possible outputs is called the codomain. A function tells us what the formula is for our given input. It tells you that this is your input and this is what you do to it. So that's all you have to do for this question. Again, the worksheet is free. It's attached there at the bottom of the YouTube video. Have a look at that, check that out and do the exercises. Or if you're doing the automatically corrected exercises, just click on the link if you're doing the course. I think that's more beneficial to you, and it comes with automated revision, which is very helpful as well. Okay, so a few new words: domain, codomain, and function. And just remember, if it's not an acceptable output, we can't list it in our list of couples. So have a go at that.